The LevTec 1/16" gapping clips are expertly designed to ensure perfectly level tiles, making them an excellent choice for both bathroom and kitchen projects. These innovative clips feature an interlocking design that effectively levels the tiles during installation, eliminating the need for any spacing material to be left behind. With a generous 2,000 count per box, these clips are ideal for extensive tiling projects, providing great value and convenience for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts alike. The LevTec system is versatile, accommodating tiles up to 12 millimeters thick, ensuring a secure lock and stability during the drying process. Installation is a breeze with these clips, as they significantly speed up the tiling process and are easy to remove, ensuring a smooth, lippage-free finish every time. When used with the LevTec Wedge, these clips deliver optimal results, making them a preferred choice for achieving flawless tile installations.